Hey, would you like your services or classes to only be available to clients with memberships? With SimplyBook.me, you will be able to issue the memberships to your clients or offer them for purchase on your booking page. Let's begin by navigating to the Custom Features page of your SimplyBook.me account to enable the membership feature. Once enabled, you will see a list of associated notification templates and their settings. These are all enabled by default, so unless you want to disable or customize any of them, you can click on Manage to proceed to Membership Management. Let's click the plus icon to create a new membership. Let's enter its name. You can also add a description and image. The default duration is 1 month. This means that an issued or purchased membership will expire 1 month after it starts. You should set the duration according to your needs. Next, you can indicate the price and set the recurring price if you want the membership renewal fee to be different from its original price. You can also choose a tax amount if you set up sales taxes. Membership bookings limit will determine how many bookings will be included in one subscription period. In this example, if we set it to 8, a client with this membership will be able to make a total of 8 bookings per month for the connected services or classes. The membership can be hidden if you only want to be able to issue it to your clients and not have them purchase it themselves. Below, you can find the sorting option as well as a link to the membership notification settings. At the very bottom, you can choose which services or classes will be attached to the membership. Once you're done, please save changes. You can click Issue the membership to issue it to one or more clients. Lastly, in order to monitor membership sales in details, you can navigate to Reports, Membership Payments. You can also cancel a membership here if necessary. We hope you found this video helpful. You can find more tutorials like this on our YouTube channel. Please do not hesitate to like and subscribe, as well as check the links in the description to follow our social media pages. Thank you for choosing SimplyBook.me.